How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app, head towards the profile page, click on the option of edit profile, click on the option of name. You can change your TikTok name once every 7 days. In the case you have already changed it and now again you want to change it, what you have to do is head towards the profile page, click on 3 bars given at the top right corner, go to the option settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, click on the option of report a problem, scroll down, go to the option account and profile, head towards the option of editing profile, click on the option of updating name. Is your problem resolved? Click on no, click on need more help. Now over here you will need to briefly explain about your issue. You can just explain in the similar way as I have done it. Once you explain your issue, click on the option of submit. With that, TikTok support will consider your issue and get back to you within 24 hours. With that, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, if you don't want to wait for the reply of TikTok, what you can do is change the date in your device. Now go to the date and time settings in your device. Now change your date to 7 days from today, and with that you will be good to go. Now you will be able to change name on your TikTok. So these are the ways to change name on TikTok before 7 days. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.